Hi, this is Mel from Mapping Journals, and this is a junk journal I created recently. And in this video, I want to show you a whole flip through. And in the next video sessions, we want to create a similar journal like this. So this will not be in my Etsy shop, to be honest with you. This is for my own use to write letters to one of my pen pals, and I want to create a second one for my second pen pal. But I hope this video, this flip through and the creating process videos gives you a lot of inspiration for your own creations. So let's start. This junk journal is a traveler's notebook size journal, to say so. It's 11 by 22 centimeters and the spine width is 2.5 centimeters. And I covered the whole cover in this jeans. I put on some color, and I put on this huge amount of buttons using my hot glue gun. It has this golden elastic closure and a huge amount of buttons as charms. So different buttons, as you can see, so some danglies. This is the spine. I put in 2 signatures. This is not an elastic but a golden thread, and I put in this tiny cute little eyelets just for the look of it, and to make the holes a bit stronger, but it's not necessary. I just like the look of it. So this is the back. This is how it looks from the top, from the side, and from the bottom. So let's open this journal up. You can put these charms out of your way when journaling, so that they are not in your way. So this is the inside. I attached some fabrics from old clothes and sewed them in. Then I use scrapbooking paper. This is a sticker, and because it was not so sticky at the back, I just attached it with some clear tape, and I used some labels. This is a book page, and I inked a bit, and I did not ink the edges, but I stenciled a bit and used some more stickers. This is a printable from Johanna Clough. This is a washi tape sticker, and this is a digital printable. This is from Roxy Creations, and I used some other digital printables. So for example, this one is a digital printable. This is again a digital printable from Johanna Clough. This is from another Etsy shop. I don't remember the name right now because I bought 4 digital printables, labels and stamps from 4 different shops. So I cannot tell you the name of the shop for this specific label, but I will link all the 4 shops down below in the info box, and I think I will link Johanna Clough's shop in the info box as well, so just to make sure. So a bit of stenciling again. Here we have a double pocket, and I put in this little thing I created in another video together with you. So this is a leftover piece of wallpaper, and I put on some acrylic paints and then laminated it and cut with my pinking shears. So you can write on this laminated thing with a CD DVD marker, or you can put on photos or stickers. I put in some these are punch outs from cardstock, and I used my stapler to put them on to give me some how do you call it, tabs. This is a printed digital printable I tea-dyed. Here I put on some textile color and so on. This is the digital printable. This is a digital printable, and so on. Some stickers, labels to give me writing space, and some white washi. So this journal gives me a lot of writing space. This is some background paper I bought, and so on. I will just flip through with you. The rest of the pages are nearly the same. So this is from a paper pad, this is a sticker, this is a die cut or fuzzy cut in this case, and so on and so on. I put in some book pages and put on some other stickers and labels to give me writing space. I don't know if I can write on this label, but otherwise it's just for the good look. So, and I will show you in the next video how to create this. So this is a self-made journaling card. This is out from a paper pad, and I have some writing space on the back. So these things live in these pockets. Here we have a fold-out page and some stenciling again. So this is the second signature. And I used the same kinds of papers and stickers and so on. And if they did not stick by themselves, I put on this clear tape to hold them, make them hold in place. This is some scrapbooking paper. This is it's a digital printable, a little cat. It's upside down, and I tea-dyed the paper. This is some craft paper. This is a cardboard sticker, so it's a bit thicker. Another pocket with a self-made journaling card. And the middle of the second signature. Another pocket with another self-made journaling card out of a paper pad. Here, these are some stickers I put on. They stick by themselves. So this gives me a little tab. And this is a tab I stapled on. This is a 3D like a wax seal, but it's a sticker. Another fold-out page. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Visit my Etsy shop if you're interested in buying some junk journals I created by myself and junk journal ephemera. And stay tuned for the next videos, the video series, where I show you how to create these kind of journals. Bye!